This is the continuation part of the last video, which is part 2. We are going to see some problems based on difference equation. Okay, in last video we have seen how to derive the type 2 difference equation. In this video we are going to solve problems based on type 1 as well as type 2. So here they have given like ux plus 1 plus a into ux is equal to b. Here the value of a is some constant like minus 3. Okay, and the value of b is 0. So we are going to substitute. So actually the thing is, in type 1 we get we have seen that the value of a is minus constant and the value of b is 0, right? So here also we are taking it as a as minus 3 and b as 0. So ux plus 1 minus 3 into ux is equal to 0 will come. Okay, so already we have seen the procedure to solve the type 1 problem. What you have to do is, you have to divide by k power x plus 1. Okay, here the value of k is 3. So just divide it by 3 power x plus 1 minus 3 into ux divided by 3 power x plus 1 is equal to 0 will come. Okay, so we can write the 3 power x plus 1 as 3 power x into 3. Then what will become? 3 will get cancelled. You will get like u power x plus 1 divided by 3 power x plus 1 minus ux divided by 3 power x is equal to 0. It is in the format of successive difference, right? So we can write this both term as delta ux divided by 3 power x is equal to 0. Bring this delta this side, it will become delta inverse of 0. So delta inverse of 0 will give you constant. Then bring this 3 power x this side, so you will get it as ux is equal to c into 3 power x. Then we are going to see one more problem, which is ux plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into ux is equal to 0. This is also of type 1 and order 1. How to find the order? Here x plus 1, the highest minus lowest. So x plus 1 minus x will give you 1, right? So therefore the order is 1. It is of type 1, because we are having a constant which is negative and we are having a constant which is equal to 0, right? B value is 0. It is a difference equation of type 1 and order 1. So what I'm going to do is, so in last problem we have seen like divided by k power x plus 1. So we have divided by 3 power x plus 1, right? So here the constant is 1 by 4. So divided by 1 by 4 power x plus 1. So here also divided by 1 by 4 x plus 1. Here also divided by 1 by 4 x plus 1. So this equation will become what to say, here u x plus 1 divided by 1 by 4 x plus 1 will come. That is no problem. Here minus 1 by 4 into u x will come. This will become reciprocal. Okay, so what will become is 4 power x into 4 will come. 4 will get cancelled. Okay, so what I will get is ux plus 1 divided by 1 by 4 x plus 1 minus ux divided by this 4 power x will become 1 divided by 4 power x. Okay, that 4 power x will become 1 divided by 4 power x is equal to 0 will come. Okay, then it is of difference, it's like successive difference, right? So here we are having x plus 1 x plus 1, here we are having x. So we can write it like delta of ux divided by 1 by 4 to the whole power x is equal to 0. Bring this delta this side, delta inverse will come. So delta inverse into 0 will give you c, and then bring this 1 by 4 to the whole power of x this side. So ux is equal to c into 1 by 4 to the whole power of x will come. Okay, so this is of first type. And then we are going to see another problem which is of first type. ux plus 1 plus 7 into ux is equal to 0. So what I have to get is this constant should be of negative. Okay, so this plus will become minus minus. ux plus 1 minus of minus 7 ux is equal to 0 will come. Okay, so here the constant is minus 7, right? So divide everything by minus 7 power x plus 1. So here also divided by minus 7 power x plus 1. Here minus 7 power x plus 1 is equal to 0 will come. What will happen is this minus 7, this power 1 because we can write minus 7 power x plus 1 as minus 7 power x into minus 7, right? So minus 7 will get cancelled. So you will get the remaining as ux plus 1 divided by minus 7x plus 1 minus of ux divided by minus 7 power x is equal to 0. It's like successive difference. So you can write it like delta ux divided by minus 7 to the whole power of x is equal to 0. Then when you bring this delta this side, it will become delta inverse, and delta inverse will become constant, and this minus 7 to the whole power of x will go that side. So ux is equal to c into minus 7 to the whole power of x will come. Then we are going to see one more problem. 3 into ux plus 1 minus ux is equal to 0. No coefficient should be in front of ux plus 1. Okay, so divide everything by 3. So you will get the equation like ux plus 1 minus 1 by 3 into ux is equal to 0 will come. So here we are having minus symbol, so no problem. So divide this thing by k power x plus 1. So here the value of k is 1 by 3 power x plus 1. So divide this by ux plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 x plus 1 minus 1 by 3 into ux divided by 1 by 3 x plus 1 is equal to 0 will come. Then what will happen? This 1 by 3 and power 1 will get cancelled. You will get it as ux plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 x plus 1 minus ux divided by 1 by 3 power x is equal to 0. So it is of successive difference. You can write it like delta into ux divided by 1 by 3 to the whole power of x is equal to 0. Bring this delta here, it will become c, and bring this 1 by 3 power x that side. So ux will become 1 by 3 power x into c. Okay, this is a solution. Next we are going to see one more problem, which is ux plus 1 is equal to 2 into ux root of 1 minus ux square. Okay, so we have to convert that problem like this. Ux plus 1 minus 2 into ux is equal to 0 like this. Then we can easily solve by using like order 1 equation and type 2 or what type 1 difference equation. Okay, how we are going to get an equation from this we will see. Okay, so first to keep that ux as sine vx. Okay, I'm going to convert this ux as sine vx, then ux plus 1 as sine vx plus 1. Okay, just substitute here ux plus 1 instead of ux plus 1. You just substitute sine vx plus 1 is equal to 2 into ux as sine vx root of 1 minus ux square as sine square vx. Okay, so 1 minus sine square vx will give you cos square vx. Already we are having one root, so that square and root will get cancelled. You will get cos vx. So sine vx plus 1 is equal to 2 sine vx into cos vx. 2 sine vx into cos vx will give you sine 2vx, which is a trigonometry formula, right? So sine vx plus 1 will give you sine 2 into vx. Actually 2 sine x cos x will give you sine 2x, right? Then take sine inverse on both sides. You will get it as vx plus 1 is equal to 2vx, because this sign and this sign will get cancelled, right, when we are taking sine inverse. Then bring this 2vx this side. So vx plus 1 minus 2vx is equal to 0 will come. When you are finding the order means, you will get it as x plus 1 minus x will give you 1. So it is of order 1 and type 1 because the constant here is 0. So what you have to do is you have to take this constant 2 and power x plus 1, divide by that constant power x plus 1. You will get it as vx plus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 1 minus 2 into vx divided by 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0 will come. 2 will get cancelled. You will get it as vx plus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 1 minus vx divided by 2 power x is equal to 0. It is of successive difference, so you can take it like delta vx divided by 2 power x is equal to 0. Bring this delta this side, it will become c, and bring this 2 power x this side. So vx is equal to c into 2 power x will come. After that what you have to do is what you have taken is ux is equal to sine vx, right? So ux is equal to sine vx. You just write like ux is equal to sine vx. Keep this vx this side and bring this sine here. So it will become sine inverse of ux is equal to vx. Okay, sine inverse of Sine inverse of ux is equal to vx will come. So instead of vx, you can just substitute sine inverse of ux is equal to c into 2 power x will come. Then keep this sine inverse this side. So it will become sine c into 2 power x, which is ux. Understood? So while we are having like complicated situations like root means, you have to substitute sine, okay, and then bring it to normal equation and then solve the difference equation, okay. Then we are going to see one problem based on type 2. So see here, we are having a constant. Instead of 0 we are having a constant, right? So it is of order 1. Why? Here x plus 1 minus x will give you 1. So it is of order 1 and type 2 equation as a constant is not equal to 0. So what it will be like is, it is of the form ux plus 1 minus k into ux is equal to b, okay. Like as we see in the part 2 video, we have to do the calculations everything. So here we have to divide everything by 3 power x plus 1 divided by 3 power x plus 1 divided by 3 power x plus 1. For constant also you have to divide it by 3 power x plus 1. Next step, this 3 and power 3 power 1 will get cancelled, because you can write 3 power x plus 1 as 3 power x into 3. Then that 3 will get cancelled. You will get ux plus 1 divided by 3 power x plus 1 minus ux divided by 3 power x is equal to, you can write this as 3 power x into 3, right? So I'm just bringing that constant outside. 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 to the whole power of x will come. It will become like delta. As it is a successive difference, it will become like delta ux divided by 3 power x is equal to 2 by 3 into, so in last video we have seen like a power x, we can write a power x as I can write a power x as delta a power x divided by a minus 1. Understood? So here it is in the format of a power x, so I can write it like delta a power x divided by a minus 1, which is 1 by 3 minus 1 will come. Okay, so keep this here, 2 by 3 here. Then what will, when you take LCM you will get minus 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3, this 2 by 3 will get cancelled. This delta will get cancelled. When you cancel this both delta, you will get add to plus c. Okay, then ux divided by 3 power x will give you, minus will come to numerator, minus of 1 by 3 power x plus c will come. Then if you take LCM, you will get it as minus 1 plus c into 3 power x will come, plus 3 into 3 power x will come. After taking LCM, you will get the both numerator same only, right? 3 power x. This 3 power x, this 3 power x will get cancelled. Ux is equal to minus 1 plus c into 3 power x, which is the answer. We will see one more problem for the better clarification. Ux plus 1 plus 5 into ux plus equal to 5 is equal to 4, which is a constant which is not equal to 0. Here the order is x plus 1 minus x will give you 1. Okay. So but here the constant is of positive. So just convert that into negative by splitting it into minus minus. Okay. Then what will become is, here we are having the constant as minus 5 ux, right? Here my constant is minus 5. So divide it by minus 5 power x plus 1. So on everything. So ux plus 1 divided by minus 5 power x plus 1 minus of minus 5 ux divided by minus 5 x plus 1 is equal to 4 divided by minus 5 power x plus 1 will come. So this minus 5 and this power minus 5 will get cancelled. So what will come is ux plus 1 divided by minus 5 power x plus 1 minus of, this minus 5 will get cancelled, right? So minus of ux divided by minus 5 to the whole power x is equal to 4 divided by minus 5 power x plus 1 will come. Okay, so it's look like a difference equation. So you can just substitute like delta ux divided by minus 5 power x is equal to 4 divided by minus 5 power x plus 1. What would be the next step? So you can split the terms like minus 5 power x into minus 5. So you can write it like 4 divided by minus 5. Okay, and this term as 1 by minus 5 to the whole power x. So it is in the format of a power x. So you can write a power x is equal to delta a power x divided by a minus 1. So see here, delta a power x divided by a minus 1 by 5 minus 1 will come. When you take LCM, you will get it as minus 6 by 5. Okay, minus 6 by 5. When you take LCM, minus 1 minus 5 by 5 will give you minus 6 by 5. Here in the left hand side, you will get it as delta u power x divided by minus 5 power x. So here this delta and this side delta will get cancelled. Okay, and this 5 and 5 will get cancelled. This 4 and 6 will get cancelled. You will get it as 2 by 3. Okay, this minus and minus will become plus. So what will come is u power x divided by minus 5 to the whole power of x is equal to 2 by 3 into, okay, 2 by 3 into, here you are having the remaining term as this